Hello, my name is Erik Panzar and I'm a solutions engineer here at Emerson. Today, I'm going to show you how to complete a basic configuration of the Rosemount 3408 level transmitter. For this, you'll need a hard modem, an FDI package, and the AMS device configurator software. If you don't have the latest release of the AMS device configurator, you'll need to start by adding a device package. To add the device package, simply press the top left menu button and select Add Device Package. A pop-up like this may be shown, and it's only for a notification. The FDIs and DDs are tested if the FDI package is downloaded from emerson.com or Fieldcom Group's webpage. Click Proceed. Now click on Browse and select the FDI package from your computer. Click Add to save it before pressing the Return button on the top right. We're now ready to establish a connection with the transmitter. Connect the hard modem to the device loop. Make sure there is a 250 ohm resistor in the loop. Now the Rosemount 3408 should show up in the AMS device configurator. After selecting the Rosemount 3408, you'll be greeted by the home screen. The simplest way to configure the device is through the guided setup. This is an intuitive wizard which visually highlights your parameter choices. After clicking on Guided Setup, the wizard will help you with selecting all the appropriate settings for your specific application. Simply select the setting and proceed with the Next button. And if you at any time need to go back, simply use the Back button. After completion, you'll be given a configuration summary which can be printed or saved for future access. If parameters ever need to be changed again, that can be done either through the Configure tabs or by redoing the guided setup. It's that simple. Thank you for your attention, and if you have any questions, please reach out to your nearest Emerson representative.